Welcome to the channel. This is an unboxing of the 4-in-1 joystick for what we got for Nintendo Switch, PS3, PC and Android games. Let's open it up, take a look. I love how much they dedicate sellotape to these things. That's okay, I have my box opening apparatus. There we go. Okay, and just like magic. And just like that, it's out of the box. Well, it's light. The buttons have a nice click to them. Oh, but I don't like this stick very much. You can hear that. You can just feel how cheap it is. I suppose there's only really one way to find out how good this works. That's by plugging it in and trying it. Alright, stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. Right, okay, so we are going to test the 4-in-1 joystick for Nintendo Switch, PS3, PC and Android games. It's got a USB controller on one end, no USB, yeah, USB controller that you plug into. So I'm not quite sure that's going to work on some devices, but let's give this a go.
Fighters approaching Red Sun Prison.
Right. I love Batman. Batman's awesome. Can't go wrong with Batman. I'm not quite sure the layout of the control buttons or how I'm going to do some of the combos, but you know, let's just hit some buttons and see how we get on. I should note, when I plug this in, it automatically recognises it as an Xbox 360 controller. I'm guessing combos will go with that. Oh, nice. Nice, look at that. Takes me back to my Tekken days. When I was at college, I had a Tekken 3 machine in the student union cafe, and yeah, for lunchtime that was our jam now. Of Tekken 3 competitions, it was awesome. This kind of feels like that. The stick is a wee bit. There's no tightness to the stick. But yeah, this is great. Great considering what I paid for it. Which I think was about 16 quid. Whoa, nice. Take that, Black Adam. Kicked his ass. Very good. Right, let's pick a different character to play as, shall we? Let's see what we've got. No. No. Oh yeah, Hellboy. Who will we fight? Ooh, Wonder Woman. There we go. Right, let's see if winning the first time was a fluke or not. Oh, look at the smile on his face. Enjoyed that a wee bit too much. Alright, Diana, what you got?
Spirit in spades.
A beast like you doesn't scare me.
And here I thought we'd be
Now, I've not
friends.
played this game in a while.
Begin.
I'm not even sure what some of the combos are. Take that. Ooh. He is a wee bit slower than Batman. But he hits with a ton. Oh. Ooh. Look at that whip. Nice. Wow. Wow. Come on. Must be able to do something with that tail of his, sure.
Won't hurt any less tomorrow.
Come on. She's too happy with that whip. Take that. Oh. Come on, Red. You're getting your ass kicked. There you go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Come on. No!
Wonder Woman wins.
Beaten by a girl. Should feel ashamed there, Red. Alright. Who shall we play as next? No, no. Ooh, is that Leonardo for the Turtles?
Leonardo.
Hell yes. Ooh, Supergirl. Oh yes.
Supergirl.
Alright, let's go. Oh, he wasn't taking any of
Fighters
that.
approaching Brainiac's ship.
Don't you disrespect me.
What's your deal?
Just trying to get my bros and me back home.
Sounds like a job for Supergirl.
Begin.
Alright, here we go. Whoa. Cowabunga, dude. Come on, kick her ass. There you go. Oh, oh. Oh, come on. You know, like technically speaking, they're still with the animals. Some turtles are protected. I would guess they're protected. And she's some superhero. Come on, Leo, get up. Stop jumping and just kick her ass. There you go. Nice. Ooh, very good.
See ya. Now don't you feel silly?
Yes. Come on, show your ninja skills. That's your getting your ass kicked skills, ninja skills. Nice. Oh, very good. Ouch. One more hit. Yes! Kicked your ass!
Leonardo wins.
Now that'll
Very
hit the spot.
good. Pizza! Pizza dude. Nice. Right guys, so that's the 4-in-1 joystick for Nintendo Switch, PS3, PC and Android games. I will be putting a link for this on Amazon in the description. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Every little helps. Have a good day. Thank you.